Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We're here at Galveston, Texas, doing some fishing. Got the 8-weight with the sink tube. Got a little crab pattern tied on. See what we can catch today. We're not leaving yet. Relax. We'll go in a minute. She gets all excited when you get all excited and then you want to leave. You are a little kid, I swear. I'm using a woolly bugger, woolly crawdad, I guess. Can't tell because it's all wet. I've caught redfish off this thing before, so it's not exactly the flats, but might get a stingray or something if we're lucky. have my security guard here, Miss Molly. Good golly, let's go. So I'm gonna try to fish going this way and see what I can get off the shallow areas. I had some luck earlier with the stingray over there by the jetty wall. So I'll see if I can do the same over here on this side. Came over here because there's less people. Me, my dog, car. Got the other wall, which I might hit that way soon. Fishing using a 8-weight, a little cheapy Chinese rod, but max cast type reel, and I believe a reel's sink tip, 8-weight type line, you know, for the 8-weight rod. And about a 6-foot fish. Leader, 20 pound. Kind of used a longer leader than I normally would, but figured eventually I'm gonna cut it down when I change flies and stuff. So. And my poor dog just waiting. Molly, come on. Yeah, I think she's tired of the water. I left her a little spot in the car so she can lay in there if she wants to. To be honest, I'm a little nervous because I just got a Volta for the GoPro. Yeah, this thing ain't waterproof. And there's more people here. What the hell? Damn it. trying to get away from people. Shit. Man, they better not come around here. Fuck. Back up, Sensei. Molly, go lay down. Ah, damn it. Okay. Whew. Like I was trying to say, so I got a Volta. It's not waterproof, and I'm surrounded by water. Doing wading a little bit in the ocean. So yeah, if it we'll see. Should probably be fine. Oh, here she comes. A little security guard. Hey, mamas. You doing okay? You okay, babies? Hey. Really? You okay? Come here. Well, you can stay right there. That's fine. She's a good girl. I've been having her off leash almost all day. Every beach we've gone to, she's come when I called her and haven't eaten any children, so I guess that's a good thing. To be honest, I was a little. I actually tried to bite someone who was running on the beach this morning, but he didn't tell me anything, so I'm assuming she didn't. If I had known her, she probably tried. And I've seen her do that before, where she's tried to nip at somebody. Runners and bikes for some reason. She's getting better, but you know, she's a dog. She's got her hunting instincts and. So the sink tip, it does kind of work great with the crawl, or the, well, I guess here it's a crab or whatever. Anyways, it is basically a woolly crab or woolly crawfish. But it works. I don't think fish are that picky when it comes to crayfish. Swimming like a swimmer. Slow swimmer. And there's bloody fish everywhere. Even over there by the damn gym wall. Like they're literally swimming around me. Yeah, not biting. But I did get a stinger to bite, and that was nice, except those guys like to spit it out if you don't break that suction. Slow down, tell myself, damn it.
other species. Once that fish inhales, we're going to make sure our hands are out in front of us so that we can find the fish with a hook like this, and that gets the hook initially dug in, it finds a ridge, and then we're going to pull the rod back into our stomach like so, and if the fish is turned and pulls significant weight to the point where you're in a tug of war.
Okay, we're finally back home, and this is what my car ended up looking at, like after going to Galveston. All that dirt. Still got stuff in the back. The dog. Needless to say, happy to be home. Good day though. A lot of sand. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff.